This is our home in Palm Harbor, Florida. It is the Mark Rutenberg Homes Castaways model that was featured in 2-hour-long videos called Zero Energy America. The house was built to show how green a house can be and has all the features that theoretically would make it very low-cost living. One of the main features of this home was the LG multi-V air conditioning and heating system, period. It was considered state-of-the-art and consists of this outdoor compressor unit and 5 air handlers in the attic, each serving different zones. This picture shows one of the air handlers that goes in the attic and connects to short ducts, which is supposed to be more efficient. Under the system, all the units are interconnected to the compressor unit outdoors. LG used this home in its advertising and continues to do so as part of its Zero Energy America technology. This shows another excerpt from an LG advertisement, which again features our home and how efficient the air conditioning and heating system would be. But here's the problem. The system consistently breaks down and is very, very expensive to repair. Anytime there is a leak in any one of the 5 air handlers, it drains all the refrigerant out of all of them and they all stop working. Although the house was completed in late 2012 or early 2013, so far 4 of the units have failed, and we believe the 5th unit is about to. When one unit fails, they all fail because they are interconnected, and when there's a leak, all the refrigerant leaks out. The builder replaced 2 of the units at its expense during the warranty period, and afterward we have had to pay for replacements. Not only do we have to pay for replacements, we have to constantly pay to refill the refrigerant when it breaks. So far, we have spent thousands of dollars on refrigerant and replacing units. The outside unit also is subject to failing. We spent $5,150 just for parts for the outside unit. LG does nothing to stand behind its units. When we need a replacement unit, it takes weeks to get. We come home from a week vacation and the house is 84 degrees because we're in Central Florida. I feel that anybody that buys this LG system is in for a rude shock. I have been advised by our builder's representative that all 4 of these systems that have been installed in their buildings have failed.